these guys have to say, let's see.
Jamaica's not in Africa, is it?
Sorry?
Jamaica's not. No, it's not. Tell me.
What?
Start again.
No, we're not going to start again. We're going to keep this in.
No, I need to clarify.
What?
It's around the area though.
What?
Where?
No, I'm listening.
You're trying to get me in trouble.
No, I'm not going.
Jamaica
Yeah.
is basically one of the Canary Islands. No, not Canaries. Is it the Grand Canaries?
What?
No, Jamaica.
You don't know where Jamaica is?
Cranberry Islands. What?
Cranberry. The Caribbean. Cranberry. Cranberry Islands, guys.
Oh, the Caribbean.
Yes.
Caribbean. And then Africa is further,
Is in Africa.
which
It's a different
is
continent.
obviously different area, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what continent is Jamaica in then?
I don't know what it'd fall under.
It would have originally been attached to a continent, if you want to be smart.
Cranberry Islands. Good. It's North America.
See? Who would have known that Jamaica's actually American? You're
Right.
American.
All right, cool. Come
You're
on, then.
American.
Right,
No,
this is the first
don't
one.
gloss over that
This
one.
is-
Go back and address that.
All right.
You're American.
All right, it's a.